As an organization that is facing change, you need to prepare for the future, and you need to do this quickly. Perhaps your existing ERP solution is just not up to the challenge. You must have systems that can handle complex supply chains, increased product complexity, provide speed and productivity while reducing costs of processes. As you face these challenges, have you asked, if we invested in the right systems, what if we could achieve better results? Consider investment in the proper ERP business system that can increase customer responsibility and gain a bigger share of their spend, handling complex products that can increase revenue, optimize manufacturing to increase throughput and reduce capital investment, and streamline processes and reduce SG&A. With ERP SyteLine, the answer to these questions can be answered yes indeed. With over 25 years of continuous investment by Infor, one of the top 3 business software companies, SyteLine is a top performer in the business software market. A complete business operations system designed to manufacture, order to cash, procure to pay, manufacturing execution, quality, embedded financials. It's all in SyteLine. Let's take a look into the SyteLine version 9 ERP. Effective business execution starts with having the information needed for decision makers. Accurate data when you need it and in context. Simple to use, logically presented, and in detail that's just a single click away. Graphically presented information giving speed with the detail that's just a click away. Drill down to get the complete story. SyteLine's Data Navigator provides real-time data with the ability to turn it into information quickly. Data presented with flexibility and without the need to have rigid custom IT reports or the use of third-party analysis tools. SyteLine's data views give you the deep analysis tools to give you even more insight. You can take the information, select, sort, group by, and apply mathematical calculations, all in real time. No need for ETL tools or even having to understand the database. SyteLine makes it easy. Business information for business-minded people. SyteLine's ease of use and simplicity is not just in reporting and analytics, it's across all transactions. Working with customers is just one example. SyteLine's built-in CRM provides manufacturers with key elements of a CRM, such as detailed customer bill and ship-to information, key contacts, financial position and controls. In addition, from a click away are customer-related sales orders, interactions, leads, and opportunities. Customer orders that can be created with only 3 to 4 pieces of information. Speed with rock-solid accuracy. Select the customer and ship to. All the rest of the information is filled in as it's already known within SyteLine. Create the line items by selecting the items, select a delivery date, or better yet, give the customer an accurate date you will provide the items by using SyteLine's real-time, capable-to-promise functionality. Decrease the order costs and improve delivery with SyteLine. Taking the order is the start. Now we need to manage the complexity of products. Once you have delighted your customer with taking their order quickly and with realistic delivery expectations, if you are to fulfill their expectations, you now need to address the fact that products they desire are increasingly complex and have complex supply chains. Global suppliers, embedded technology, product safety, increased material costs, and higher quality expectations all must be addressed. SyteLine's engineering and manufacturing will give you the tools needed to meet this challenge, from managing suppliers to manufacturing and fulfillment to the customer. All engineering functions are but a click away. Building bill of material and routings has never been easier than with SyteLine's engineering workbench. By simply selecting your items to work on, then selecting the operations and materials to be added, changed, or deleted, item bill and routing operations can be made. Simple, easy, and a way to encourage efficient engineering methods. SyteLine's features as to filter in place and grid mode selection, with the ability to do mass search and replaces, are invaluable to engineering and item management. Search on any field and then make your changes. Embedded document management is part of SyteLine. Documents such as CAD files, certifications, toolpaths, and even handwritten scanned notes can be attached to an item, routing, work center, or just about any record in SyteLine. Managing increasingly complex items takes a system that is robust and deep in its engineering capabilities. SyteLine has that depth and completeness. Production efficiency is a must to remain competitive in global markets. The Production Manager's homepage provides critical information as to the health of the production and scheduling. Manage resources, resource groups, work centers, and production orders, supporting job order, repetitive production schedules, and project-based manufacturing. With the use of SyteLine's built-in planning engines for infinite planning and scheduling, or optionally finite, you are able to run the shop quicker and faster. No longer are you having to deal with schedules that are set up by rule of thumb or other historic methods. Graphically displaying the shop floor resource schedule to give a view of the exact activity that is happening. If you want to change the schedule, a simple drag and drop and pulling of the order to a different time. The best planning and scheduling has to have a way to be communicated to the production team on the shop floor. SyteLine handles this as well with a fully integrated shop floor management system. Clock in and clock out for labor collection. Clock in, clock out for job labor cost accounting. And full presentation of work activity with visual scheduling boards will give the production team the information they need. Providing excellence in production management with SyteLine. SyteLine goes beyond just being a complete ERP system, as it's a full business automation system that culminates in the embedded financial management and reporting. All business activities from sales, engineering, purchasing, production, and even post-sales service and warranty all roll into the financials. All financial transactions can be traced back to an activity that occurred within the business. Gone are the days of time-consuming month-end closes and trying to backtrack to find production transactions that resulted in a mismatched financial posting. As the business operations are faced with more and more strict controls such as SARBOX, complex SEC reporting, government regulations, and foreign trade, the ability to manage the business by having critical steps controlled with workflows and alerting becomes more and more important. SyteLine's built-in workflow management enables your organization to keep tight controls of step-by-step processes to ensure compliance. SyteLine allows you to personalize the software to meet your business needs 100%. With the Mongoose Tools, which is the user-friendly SyteLine development environment, you have access to make SyteLine fit your business exactly for today and the long-term future, without affecting your ability to take support updates and version upgrades from Infor. SyteLine, the leading ERP for enabling your business to attain profitable growth with strong customer satisfaction. Meet the needs for managing increased product complexity, manage the production in a global production market, and have total efficient control of the business. Better business with Infor SyteLine.